So hello guys, today we are going to learn Python from beginning to advanced. So in order to learn Python, first we need to download our Python. So let's go and search our Python. Search Python and you got this website. Click this download, and now let's download this Python, which is 3.11.0 versions. And now let's install this. And also, in order to write our Python, we need to download our Pycharm. Okay, so now you need to click this add python.ext to path. Okay, so let's click this, and now let's install this. Okay, so let's write a Pycharm download, and you got this JetBrains website, and you need to download this Pycharm community version. So let's download this. Okay, so our Python is installing. So our Python was set up. So now let's install this Pycharm. Okay, so let's install this Pycharm. Okay, so let's click yes, and now let's click next, next. And what you need to do is you need to write add bean folder to path. Okay, let's click this, and let's click next, next. Okay, so it's just installing. And in order to check our Python is successfully downloaded or not, what we need to do is we need to write out Python, and we got our Python version, which is a 3.11.0. So we successfully install our Python. Okay, so wait for a second. Okay, so our Python community versions is installed successfully. So let's click this finished. Now let's cut this, and now let's search our Python, and let's click this, and let's OK. In order to start new project, you need to click this. Okay, so now let's click this create, and our Python project is created. So we successfully create a new project. Now let's remove this, and let's write a print, and here let's write our hello world. And if I click this, we just print hello world. Okay, so you successfully print hello world. So in our next video we will going to learn what is variable, how to take input, or all of these things. So for now, let's bye.